My name's TJ, this is Boss Auto, so I'm very excited about this. I partnered with a company called California Pony Cars. So in the past, I've done a video on the windshield wiper cowl, which is a two-piece plastic system, okay? Which has been known on these trucks, which is 2015 and up, to just, you know, the plastic fades, cracks, what have you. In fact, one of my earlier videos, I showed you how to install these, and it's been one of my most popular. California Pony Cars got new innovation, which it's a one-piece part that you can paint match that just changes the whole front end of your truck. I'm going to do an open box. We're going to install it in the truck behind me. It only takes a few tools, guys. We're going to use masking tape on it. I've got a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, and then I got a trim tool we're going to use to pop off the old cowl. But I'm going to start the open box. Let's get started now. Like I said, they do a great job with the packaging. Everything nice and packed. Got the pins in here. Shows you nice instructions here and their label and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this back. So here's a bag with the push pins and the instructions here. Like I mentioned, it comes in like a really clean black. You can get it paint matched, you know, like my truck is as you know, it's already black. It's what they call G1 shadow black. I don't know if I'll get it paint matched or not, because that's a really clean look already. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know it's not been that long since I've changed mine. But I want you to look at the difference. So it just doesn't, you know, the two-piece thing to me just looks junky. Look how much cleaner that is. Let's get started with the uninstall of the original first. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take some masking tape and just mark off the direction our wiper blades are. Okay, did the same thing on the driver's side. I'm gonna show you these pins you pull up on real quick. So they're right here. You just pull back like that. Once you pull the lever, lift the windshield arm up, then pull straight out. Just like that. Now some makes will have a little notch in it, like mine does for the arm, but not all. If you don't, I would put a tape there just to kind of help you. Okay, I got both wipers off again, but I want to show you, you have to have it bent this way with this pulled out before you can break it loose, okay? We're going to try to take this one off, okay? You got clips down here. That up, just one here. You have that, just stick your arm in there and pull it. And now be careful, because you do have the hose still hooked to it. You here on the back side. Just rubber fitting, so just kind of twist it a little bit and pull up. So this part of the cowl is loose. We're going to do the same thing to the next side. So here in the middle of these clips, okay, there's two here in the middle. Those are what you're pulling up. That one down there actually broke loose when I pulled it out. And take this. See underneath it, you got these hooks. Pull those hoses out. Okay, and once you got that, again, just the rubber, just twist it, pull it down. So we're going to retain the actual wiper nozzle. Okay, this part right here. So on the back side of it, if you look at it closely, we basically have to pinch it and then push it through. So I'm going to grab some needle nose pliers. Okay, and then just push down. All right, so remember I said mine was aftermarket, so you follow the same steps, but I had to go pick some up from the hardware store because mine's a different size. The aftermarket was. So anyway, these, once you get them out, they'll pop directly in. So let me show you how that looks real quick. Just take it in the right direction and just push it in. Just like that. So again, just take it and just slide it right in here and just push down. Okay, now you want these tubes to go underneath that. So take it, run it down there. Just get a good fitting out of there. This down here. Again, just be careful you don't scratch it up underneath there. Just push it in, okay? Now you want to make sure your hose is up out of the way. Alright. If you look along there, you've got these 4 holes, okay? All right, that's what the 1/4 inch bit is for, because remember they supplied us with 4 of these. This piece right here, all 4 of them. All right, so we got to have a talk. So first off, no matter which vehicle you get, not every truck is the same. Believe that or not. So therefore, what we're going to do is we're going to mark our hood. So we're going to put masking tape on our hood because there may be a chance if this doesn't line up perfectly, you may have to tweak your hood a little bit, okay? So I'm going to show you how I did that. Okay, I did this on both sides, but that's just precautionary, all right? So back to these fasteners, okay? So these things are this thick. We're going to drill those holes so it has that much clearance, okay? So okay, do not push the pin in yet because we still need to lift up the other side to drill that one out. All right, so I'm gonna take you along for the ride on this one a little bit closer. So this is where the pin's going at. Let's lift it up. Okay, so right here's plastic. You need the push pin to go through that. All right, once you have it drilled out, you have clearance. You should be able to push this in. All right, now it's fastened. We're going to do that to the other side. So for the most part, it's installed. If you need to adjust your hood, you do that now. I want to make sure everything lowers. Clearances. Real slow. Looks good over here. All right, I'm going to check my other side. This is a good time to have your buddy kind of spot for you. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Keep your arm back. Now if you have a notch in them like I do, you just line your notch up with the groove. But if you've taped it, find that tape. Just push it down. Okay, so once you get in place, push that lock back. Golden. All right, now I'm gonna remove our tape. Pros and cons. So first off, keep in mind this is what it used to look like. Okay, so hard to clean. So I just got a little cleaner on this towel. It's just damp, not even wet. That's pro number 1. Another pro is the way you install these. There's only 4 clips on them and they're thick. So another problem these things have, they have these little clips on them and they break and you have to order a bunch of them. So those clips that we put on are pretty easy. You can even pick them up like at Harbor Freight to replace them or whatever. So I consider that a pro. And the biggest pro, this thing looks awesome. let's wrap this one up. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. I will include a link down below on how to get this part. And if you've not done so already, subscribe. If you're out there on social media, Instagram, TikTok, hit me up at F-150_boss. If you get your own build, shoot me a picture. I'm thinking about adding some people shout outs on here and showing people's trucks or cars, whatever they're doing. And guys, I can't thank you enough for support, and just want to say thank you, and I want you to have an awesome day. If we're working on build, let's go. I'm all done with these.